Welcome back to Sassy Granny Vlogs. Shay here. If you're new, please subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my fun videos I make and put up or out, or however you want to say it. And please leave me a thumbs up. Watch my videos, leave me comments. I love to read them and I do answer you back. Sometimes it might take me a while. Guys, I got dressed for nothing. Got dressed, walked out here, getting ready to do my walk for the day. No can do. No can do. Can y'all see why? And it's getting harder. Well. So now what? Will it stop later on in the day so I can get my walk in? I hate when my routine is messed up, though. I do things in a certain way, certain schedule, certain routine. I like it that way, and I don't like for it to get messed up. It bothers me. So, what do I do? What do I do? I want to go walking. Okay. Whatever. I guess we'll go back inside. There's the thunder. Oh, well. Oh, well. Alright then, we'll see what happens later on. So, I guess I will see y'all in the next clip, too. Okay, I am trying this again. I can't really remember if I recorded last time I did, but they all messed up. But I'm trying the steaming the potatoes again like my mom used to do when I went and stayed with her and my sister Charlotte for those 3 days. Charlotte picked some the way Mama used to, and so I watched her. And so I'm trying to do exactly what she did. Keep the heat on medium, which is 5, I had noticed. Butter, potatoes. I'm not doing a whole lot, just enough for 1 serving for me. And I'm putting a lid on it. That's what she did. So there we go. We'll see how they come out. Okay, I think they're done. They're tender. I can chew them. They look right. The only thing is my pan is not as good as Charlotte's, so it still sticks. I got to see what I can do about that. So I'm going to take them up Okay, now. Here they are. They look right, like Mama did them and like Charlotte did them, and they look good, and I can eat them. I just wish I could figure out my pan thing. All right, guys, I just wanted to share that with y'all. I'm fixing to eat my lunch. Okay, see y'all later. Okay, guys, here is my lunch. I pinched up a sandwich meat turkey and a sandwich meat roast beef in here, 1 each. I pinched up some olives. I sprinkled some shredded cheese in here. And then I put salt, pepper, garlic salt, garlic pepper, going fast, garlic powder, and onion powder, and turmeric. And I'm stirring it all up, and this is going to be my lunch with my water. So, there you go. But I want to show y'all something else. I'm not telling y'all. I done turned the light out. But I have pulled all my plastic bowls like this out. And I'm going to be using them for something. But I'm not going to tell y'all right now. I got to wash them all up and check on them. Some of them you can freeze things in. Some of them you can't. I need to check about that and all of those things. Okay? Just stay tuned for this. All right. Something I wanted to try for a long time, and I'm finally fixing to do it, I think. Okay, see y'all later. Okay, guys. This is, I think it's still Tuesday. I got a rock in my shoe, hang on. This is the day that it was raining a lot. And that I had started to walk and seen it was raining. It's late in the evening now, so I'm out here walking to get ate up with mosquitoes. Stupid, ain't it? Anyway, because that's what happened. They love me and my blood for some reason. They ignore everybody else. Just come to me. But It's not raining right now. I hope it don't start pouring down on me before I can finish my walk. My back's already hurting. I'm already like bent over forward a little bit. I can't straighten up, seems like. Whew. It is 5 something, I think. Hubby's home already early. He's kind of caught up on some things building, which he still does the new job, but he still works and does things at the shop. But he's caught up pretty good at the shop and was able to come home early. Anyway, I didn't want to skip a day walking, so I've made myself get out here because I'm excited about this and about me being able to do, you know, a little bit, and then the next week add to it. And I felt like I was doing good and getting better, and I want to keep that up. So anyway, okay, but I'm already wishing I didn't have to go all the way down to the end of that road. But it's too late in the evening now to stop off at the house and wait and come out later to walk the other end, because I'd for sure get ate up with mosquitoes by then. And if I stopped and went in, most likely I'd never come out to finish the other side. So it's best I do it now if I can make myself do it. Listen to the pretty birds. Oh, listen. Listen, listen, listen. To the pretty birds. Okay. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Oh boy. I'm slowing down. I may not know much to talk about, so I'm just going to be quiet a while and just walk. Y'all can just watch me walk, listen to the birds chirp. Uh-oh. I guess that's out of the tree. A raindrop just hit my head. Hopefully it just fell out of the tree. And then it don't mean that it's supposed to start raining again. And I hope that it wasn't a bird, you know what, or something other, using the bathroom. All right. All right. Okay. We're passing the house. Bye, house. I wish I could stop and go in here right now. Oh, look, there's a bird up there on that wire. But it's not the one that's chirping. If I'm even aiming it right for y'all, if y'all can even see it. Oh, it flew off. Ooh. Look at the water puddled up right there in his driveway. It puddles up all along the driveways here. That's weird. Well, it ain't really. I guess it just dips in there. They need to build it back up with some more rocks and stuff. So it wouldn't do that. I like that porch right there. It's just cute to me. And then I like these cute apartments and little houses. They're little. When they're little like this, they're cute. And now these, don't look that cute. Them are new looking. That's kind of new looking, and like I said, I like the way that porch is. But I just like all the way these little apartments look through here. Okay. Back to blowing. My back's hurting. But we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna be dead when I get back home. I may have to cry, but I'm gonna do this. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Well, now that's gonna go and mess up. Well. Trying to change up and hold my hand different ways. Because it gets tired of holding it. I couldn't walk fast. I had to walk slower. I'd really be hurting before I got home. So to save me from that, I've slowed down. I'm walking really, really slow. Hello? We're almost at the end. I guess this is still doing good. We're at 8 minutes and something. Oh, my back hurts. 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 Okay, I'm gonna stop here for a few minutes, or rather a few seconds. Oh, God. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Oh, God. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Slowly but surely. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, God. Oh, God. All right, mosquitoes, go away. It's fixing to turn in. I better get over. I feel like mosquitoes are biting me. Oh, Lord. My back hurts. Will I make it home? Will I make it home? Oh, God. Okay. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Oh, When I was younger, way back in the day, we lived on Bowie on our land. The road we lived on, it was a mile from the stop sign. And I could walk that. And I even walked further. Because one day, we went to the graveyard that my granny and her family is buried in. And she wasn't buried there then, because that was back before she passed, probably, or it might have been right after she passed. But anyway, I'd walk that mile to the end of the road, and then I'd turn and go down however far that is to that graveyard. I don't know how far that is. Pretty good piece. I'd say maybe half a mile. I mean, I'm not for sure. I'm not a good gauger or anything, but that's what I would say. So half a mile there. Can't remember if I walked back, because the time I'm remembering, hubby went in the truck and the girls was riding in the back of the truck. And I don't remember what we was doing while we was going there. But anyway, I do remember walking there though. So I probably rode back home, but still, that was a mile and a half or whatever. And now, whew, I couldn't do that for nothing in the world. Lord, no. Whew. Okay, we're almost there. Almost there. The doggy's coming out and barking. Hey! Hey! Pretty boy. Pretty girl, I mean. I'm sorry. You're a girl. Sorry. Pretty girl. Whoa, okay. Balance yourself. Don't fall. Lord have mercy. Just trying to turn around and see the dog and talk to it. Alright, 13 minutes and 7 seconds. Okay. That was really, really slow though. Okay, guys. I'm gonna say bye here. See y'all later in the next clip. Hello, everybody. So this is a closeout of this vlog. It's at the end. 17 minutes, so we got a couple more minutes or so. So I just wanted to come on and close it out and say bye to y'all. This is Wednesday morning, by the way. Never mind, it's not morning anymore. It's afternoon. Whatever. I'm kind of hurting this morning. My left hip and leg, thigh, knee, whatever. I guess the whole thing, really. Ankle, foot. Anyway, sorry, that was my finger. So, not feeling the best. Trying to talk myself to get out there and go walk. But it's, all up in the sun. I know. I was later doing it yesterday. I hope this, don't keep going down and down and down and down until I don't walk no more. Need help. Need help. Need help. Alright, guys. Saying bye in this vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in the next vlog. Toodaloo!